What's up, chat? You don't know who it is. It's your boy Crown Prince. So guess what? I was traveling for the past 6 months, in and out. I was going to cities, I was meeting new people, kind of just living a whole lifestyle that I never thought that I would have lived, right? The good thing about it is, I was posting the whole time, which was something that I was down on myself about, but I did keep the camera rolling, right? So this is now my opportunity where I get to come to you guys and show you exactly what I've been up to for the past 6 months. I like to call this one the archive. Let's check it out. Alright, so we just finished the first part. Got Kyrie, the boy said. About get off. We got like a 3-hour layover. That's what it's looking like. But we officially just dropped in North Carolina, Charlotte.
International, dog.
3:39. Got another 3 hours.
What's his name? Jonathan, right?
Jonathan. What are you talking about?
Johnny.
Real soon, Johnny. Anyways, about to get off the plane, and then we be chilling in the lobby and then waiting for the next flight. So check it out. So I've been here before, but this one is kind of like the first time winging it. So last time I was here, I drove over here. You know, we're here. What happened?
I seen the suits. I want to see.
Oh, suits?
Yeah.
Oh, I like that. Let's look in here real quick.
It does.
I don't know if they want me to record in their stores, bro. So y'all gonna have to just catch it on the back. But they like repping. We probably should get some souvenirs. You talking about a Clemson?
When I first came out here, I had all Clemson.
Oh, Clemson? They probably charge an arm and a leg for all this. They got Panthers too, bro. Sorry, I can't wear nothing for the Panthers, bro. You be wearing these, huh? I can't wear nothing for the Panthers, bro. I get kicked out of Florida.
I'll get kicked out of Florida. It's crazy.
Facts, though. Honestly, bro, they got a lot of them over there, bro.
I'm cool off this stuff. I don't
Nah.
I don't even.
Alright, so we made it through the intro. Now, you're probably wondering, where am I? What am I doing? Where is this even going? Right? Exactly. As a matter of fact, great questions. Give yourself a round of applause. I'll be real with you. I didn't capture every single details. No Airbnb shots, no perfect behind the scenes, but I did get the details that mattered. The archive isn't about capturing the perfect moment right across the board. I gotta admit, I did get some crazy good shots. I'm gonna show those off, but it's mostly about the things that I did capture. Things that we got off camera, those are for us to enjoy. Those are the memories that we'll keep with us. But as far as that goes, I am rambling. Thank you. Yeah, Easter, we just got some candy. I don't know about you. I guess it's my favorite color too. I don't know about you, but I'm trying to find that 5K one.
Yeah. So you see, though, they made it hard because she had the keys to the.
Yeah, she had to have keys to the draw. That's pretty dope, though.
That is fun. That's a fun one.
Nice.
Oh, I got some. What you get? I got it. Yeah. Interesting. We got 3 hours, bro.
Yeah, so we're just here in NC. We waiting to board the next flight to Philly. They said 5:30.
Did you say you were gonna keep it a secret? guess y'all know now.
That's out the bag, y'all.
Ain't nothing too crazy about Philly though. Honestly, I don't know. I ain't never been. Actually, I passed up, but I ain't never. Anyway, from my yard people, and big up on yourself. You know what going already. You know. Truth, that is truth.
About OB.
He's written some poetry about opium. I'm gonna probably have to like blur that out because I can't even say that. But he read some
Poetry.
some kind of fancy poetry.
About opium.
That's what it is, though.
It is. It really is.
Like we saw one, probably showing a little thing I walk about with the food.
Yeah, fish boy.
Yo, say that again. Say it again so they
Fish boy, we not swim in the ocean.
Yo, I did not teach him that. I don't know where he got that from. Some African that he keeps confusing my language with, bro. That is not us, bro.
Fish boy, we not swim in the ocean. You have female tendency.
Yeah, I don't know what none of that's about. I promise you, up to this day, I'm very convinced he got that from some other person, some other very unrelated person, because I don't have nothing to do with that. Yo, for my people, I never teach him nothing, so nothing. That's not it. I didn't teach him that. Alright, cool. Now that we got that out of the way, what happens now is that we got the food from this restaurant where, yeah, just nah. I'd never eat there again, but I'm gonna leave that for the video to explain. Check out what happens.
It's good. This one's mine. One of the bottoms yours, I believe. Alright, so we got some, what is it? Wow. Right now.
Yeah.
That's what it is. Why does it look like that?
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Show him. That don't look right, yo. Guess what? We spent $29 on it. Butter up. See, he using chopsticks. I ain't bougie like that. I can't. So we going with the regular fork. Alright, we gonna mash this up real quick. Sean a bit. We just got done,
Bro.
and like he said, yeah, nah, I don't recommend it. I won't even show them because I don't want to be like sued or nothing. But
We're not gonna totally trash Wow Bow. Just stay
bro,
away from that.
don't call their name,
my
bro.
fault.
Like, alright, look.
How are they gonna know?
Nah, they don't know, bro. Like, hey, you doubt me, I might blow up,
Just
bro.
don't do the Kung Pao chicken.
Look,
Alright.
based on our personal experience,
There we go. The disclosure.
yes, it's an opinion, right? Opinionated, but you know, yeah.
Stick with the teriyaki, boys and girls.
Nah, just find something else, bro. Just find something else. It wasn't too bad, but like closer to the end, like my stomach feels like it's on fire right now. But it's okay though. We live and we learn. Now we got this. Don't worry, we're not gonna defame your brand.
We'll blur it out.
We'll blur it out, right? But we're covering up the taste with something a little bit more easily digestible.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie though, the lemonade.
Oh yeah,
hit.
the lemonades are good though.
This hit right here.
Yeah, the lemonades are good. That though, nah. But yeah, we'll just leave it at that.
Alright, so what happens now is officially we got on the flight. Honestly, I don't even remember how that flight went. I mean, I'm pretty sure I probably slept. More than likely I slept. All I know, next thing I know, we are in Philadelphia.
Back in my bag, yo. Conscious. ISO. Diamond. Back in my bag and I gotta brag. I do this shit for real. When we was down and we had nothing, we had to share the mill. We put the shit in overdrive with no steering wheel.
We're over here acting so real happy.
You gotta act like you're from here, bro. Are they gonna really get you?
Not
They
very
gonna
good.
put you out in this fishbowl.
They're gonna put you out.
This
in
is
the
a big
bowl.
fishbowl. You're right though. I should have said that.
And everything, bro. This huge fish bowl. You gotta stay on
This that
point.
back in my back, flow, we back to change the climate. This that back in my back, flow, we bring the force like Tommy. Back in my back, flow. Back in my, yeah. Back in my bag, yeah. I'm back in my, yeah. I'm back in my bag, yeah. I'm back in my, this my, back in my bag, flow. Back again, yeah, we keep on stacking it, what's happening? Everything been Gucci, got me feeling like I'm dapper then. Life has been a movie, yeah, so shout out to the cameraman. Pull up to the scene, it's going down like an avalanche. Steady going up like a travel plan. Homer Simpson face, lucky power plant. Yeah, I'm off that dope, like I'm back again to Vizzy at the Millies, out on Club Hearst.
Alright guys, so that's it for the first archive video. So we made it to the point where we got to Philadelphia. Yes, we did more in Philadelphia. Yes, we had a conference. I didn't get to catch all of that. But guess what? I have more footage coming soon. Now, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to smash that like button. And also subscribe for future content. Again, we are growing. It's a growing platform, so let's grow together. Can't wait to share more videos that I have with you guys. I have a lot planned. Now, big up on yourself. If you don't know who it is, it's your boy Crown Prince, and I'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Yo, subscribe.